Morning in Laval. What time is it? What time is it? 7:30. Mate, let's go to the MotoGP. Laval to Le Mans, D57. Right, let's do this. Should take us, what, 45 minutes? Yeah, an hour maybe. Laval to Le Mans. A bit of condensation is all good. Right. Let's go. Let's do it. You go. Oh, Steve's already there. Better put this down. Left and then right here. And I think this is the D57 all the way. Sleepy morning. Sunday morning. Race day morning. Okay, he's through the twisties though. Oh, this is alright, or rather the straights. Yeah, this route definitely better than the motorway, isn't it? And our first sighting up ahead of some other bikers as well. Right, cruise on in. More, only about 10 miles out. Yeah. Right. Yeah, I need to give mine a wipe, I think. Oosh, oosh, oosh. Oh, such a nice morning. Right, let's get going. Yeah. I might need to give mine a wipe as well, I think. As we join the convoy, there's more and more people coming, which is good. And a tiger at the back. Alright, wipe some bugs off my... Okay, let's go. Yeah. Oh, Steve just doing loops on a roundabout. Okay, cool, we're good. Ricardo's got his... Cool. Alright, let's catch up with everyone else. Le Mans is twinned with Bolton in the UK. Yeah, apparently. Yeah, I know. I mean, shout out to Bolton. Okay, right, as we pick up, yeah. Okay, go, I'm going. Cheers, thank you. Yeah. Right, we've got enough bikers with us now, follow them. Radars. Follow other directions. Follow them then, follow them. Yeah. What's your nav saying, Steve? Yeah, so clean. Yeah, yeah. Like you say, it is so nice to see bikes outnumber cars. You never see that, or you rarely see that in this number. And all going to the same place. Right, bus lane, let's get over to be safe. Yeah, straight on. Because I think Arnage is actually the village closest to the circuit. At least you know kind of where it is, and then you just walk in. No, that's the like, I don't know, exhibition hall or whatever. No, it's like a, I don't know, yeah, expo hall, whatever that is now. Okay, yeah, stop, let them through. Fucking hell, yeah, all the bikes parked up here. Yeah, exactly. This access circuit straight ahead, basically. It looks like. It looks like it's so free parking. It says there. Airport. Oh, stopping the traffic. Oh, the madness of trying to figure out. Right, the sign says that way to the circuit. Where are they all going? Okay. Where they all are, and let's figure out where exactly we are. Oh, there's police here. Oh shit! Watch it! Take it very easy. Follow them. Watch your left and right, Steve. Look, people camping here. Fucking hell. Yeah, everyone just watch your left and right, because right, oh, I would have been perfect spot where those bikes are. Right, let's it genuinely is a free-for-all. At least the weather's nice. Okay, well, we're clearly getting closer to the circuit. Look at that. You can see Porsche. What's that? I don't even know where you are, mate. Sorry. Yeah, but I don't know where you are. I don't know where you are. I've lost everyone. Oh, there you are. Okay, so sorry. Right, parking. Let's do this. Yeah, we'll wait for you. Merci. Okay. Okay, go. Yeah. Proper armchairs on the back of these things. Look at this Goldwing, my god. Oh, watch it, Ricardo. Okay. You've got our tickets, Ricardo? Okay, well, you need to all sit together and make sure we all go through together. Yep. Are you? Oh, we do. Yeah. But did Ricardo go? Left or right? Left or right? Where are you, Ricardo?
We arrived.
The track's right here then.
Yeah, right in front of the track.
0.